Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Nice. Now, in vector algebra, already we completed first three exercises. No, 10.1, 10.2, 10.2. Yes. And the previous class, we studied that concepts of cross product. Okay. So we have what is cross product and what are the observations, what are the properties. All the one we completed in your previous class. Okay, so again I want to recall for you all the observation now. Then only move to the problems. Okay, fine. So now, what is cross product? A cross product when the two vectors A vector and B vector be a non-zero vector, then the cross product is defined. Cross product. So a cross product is defined. A vector cross B vector, which is equal to modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector into sin theta into n cap. So n cap is your unit vector. Okay, the vector cross product you have in another name, that is vector product. Okay, so already you know scalar product is your dot product, vector product is your cross product. So from the dot product you get it that final answer is scalar, that is numbers only. Okay, and vector product you get it that vectors only, vector quantity only you want to get it. Fine. So this is your cross product definition. Okay, now I am moving that observation. So first observation, A vector cross B vector is vector quantity. Vector A vector cross B vector is your vector quantity only. Okay. Then second observation is A vector and B vector be the two non-zero vectors. Non-zero vectors mean you know though, that is zero vectors are. Why? Because of zero into anything. Zero only coming no. So that's why. So two non-zero vector, then A cross, if A vector cross B vector you get it equal to zero means then the two vectors A vector and B vector is said to be a parallel. So A vector is parallel to B vector. Okay, parallel or collinear. Parallel or collinear. Okay, so this is your second observation. Now coming to third observation. So the third observation is see, it's very simple. So from the formula, A vector plus B vector is what? Modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector into sin theta n cap. So for that formula, we want to substitute if theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta equal to pi by 2. So for that sin theta, it will come sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 90. So sin 90 degree which is equal to 1. So A vector cross B vector which is equal to modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector. So this is your third property. Third property observation. Okay. Now coming to the fourth observation, look at the page number 450. The figure having. So I vector, J vector, K vector. Adu vachu kuduthirukanga. So from the dot product already we know I vector dot I vector is equal to J vector dot J vector is equal to K vector dot K vector. All the value is equal to 1 only. Okay. But now I vector cross I vector which is equal to J vector cross J vector which is equal to K vector cross K vector. All the value is equal to 0 vector. 0 vector. So from the cross product, so I vector cross I vector, J vector cross J vector, K vector cross K vector all one 0 vector. So suppose I vector cross J vector. So what will come? It will come K vector. Then J vector cross K vector which is equal to I vector. So what is the missing? That's it. And I vector cross K vector or K vector cross I vector. So whatever, it's not a problem. Okay. So take it K and G. K vector cross I vector which is equal to J vector. Okay. Have you understood this property for this observation? It's very important. And next observation is see. So already we have angle between the two vectors from the cross product, dot product. Dot product means angle between the vectors cos theta equal to A vector dot B vector whole divided by modulus of A vector vector into modulus of b vector. That is for your dot product. Now coming to cross product. Cross product angle between the vectors. Okay, so that is sin theta which is equal to a vector cross b vector whole divided by modulus of a vector into modulus of b vector. Okay, so this is your sin theta angle between the two non-zero vectors. Okay, so this is your fifth observation. And next observation, it is very important. See, from your dot product the commutative property is satisfied. For that, a vector dot b vector is equal to b vector dot a vector. But now the cross product a vector cross b vector which is equal to minus b vector cross a vector. So which means what is that? Commutative property is not satisfied for the vector product. Not satisfied the vector product. Okay. And next, so already explained all the things. So just I will call you only. And next, seventh observation is from your fourth observation, the same only. I cross I cross something. We want to take a direction is different. That is I cross I vector cross k j vector equal to k vector. Suppose I am taking I vector cross j vector cross I vector which is equal to minus k vector. Or otherwise here j vector cross k vector which is equal to I vector. No. Now I am taking k vector cross j vector which is equal to minus I vector. Then finally I vector cross k vector which is equal to minus j vector. So this is your seventh observation. And next, eighth, ninth observation is very important. Listen carefully because we have 2 marks for this model. Okay. So when a vector and b vector be the adjacent sides of a triangle. Now, what is the area of a triangle? So area of a triangle which is equal to half 1/2 into modulus of a vector cross b vector. So this is your area of a triangle formula. Okay, have you got it, children? And next, area of a triangle. So it is not a different thing. Already you know that the area of a triangle normally half into base into height. So that is in the vector product half into modulus of a vector cross b vector. Suppose see area of a parallelogram. So parallelogram means simple, very simple. What is the basic formula? Area of a parallelogram base into height. As for the same here, a vector cross b vector. When the vectors a vector and b vector be the adjacent side of a parallelogram. So this is your observation. Have you got it all? Okay. Models. Okay. A vector cross b vector only if you are writing mean it will come only the vector product. And the next we have to find the magnitude. Then that is the final answer. Okay. Fine. And the next property, the two properties is given. Distributive property of vector product and next say scalar lambda be any scalar we have to multiply that. Page number 451. Okay. Okay, already I told you how to find the cross product in your previous class. The question number 1, how to find it? How you find it? Can you remind this? A vector cross b vector means I, j, k we have to write and use the determinants. Okay, fine. Now we have to do the sums. Yes, students. Now in the exercise 10.4. So first sum already we completed. Find the modulus of a vector cross b vector. So that one we completed. Now second question. The question number 2 and the example 23 are both also same model. So I teach you now in exercise 23. So example 23 exercise sum is your homework. Yes. Okay. Now given. What is given means? See, a vector is equal to I vector plus j vector plus k vector. Then b vector equal to I vector plus 2j vector plus bk vector. So this is your given two vector. The question is find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a vector plus b vector and a vector minus b vector. So for that, so first we have to find a vector plus b vector. and then a vector minus b vector. So vector addition is very simple. Okay, directly we have to do. How to do this? I vector plus I vector, j vector plus j vector, k vector plus k vector. Okay, if you need one more step, like write the numbers and write the simple step. Okay, now I want to add the two things. What are they? I vector plus I vector is 2I vector. Okay, j vector plus 2j vector. What will come? Plus 3j vector. Then k vector plus 3k vector is 4k vector. So this is your a vector plus b vector, and now a vector minus b vector. We want to subtract that given two vectors. How to subtract? I vector minus I vector, what will come? 0. So 0 I vector or otherwise leave it, no problem. I vector will come. Then j vector minus 2j vector minus b vector. Okay. Then k vector minus 3k vector means it will come minus 2k vector. So this is your a vector plus b vector, and this is your a vector minus b vector. So for that I am going to take, suppose take any letters from your book. It is given by c vector, or otherwise you have to use any alphabet, is not a problem. Okay, take c vector which is equal to this one to take a cross product, that is a vector plus b vector cross a vector minus b vector. So this is your c vector. So first we have to take a cross product, and then what will come? Take a magnitude. Okay, a vector plus b vector cross a vector minus b vector. So how to take a cross product, you know? Fine. See, I vector, j vector, k vector. Okay, now write the numbers. I vector 2, 3, 4. Okay, then a vector minus b vector will be 0, minus 1, minus 2. For that, how to simplify? You know, from your determinants you want to evaluate panamla. So the same type only. How to do? See, I vector into. Okay, if you want to take a minor matrix, write 2 by 2, or otherwise write the single step, whatever you are wishing. Okay, I give you first single step or one more step. I vector, for that I vector you have to make these two, that row and that column. So what is the remaining? 3, 4. So that type of problem. Okay. So we go to stop money problem. So no problem. Step by step problem. Okay. So now I vector into, see, 2 3s are minus 6 are. Okay. So minus 1 into 4 minus 4, then minus minus plus 4. Okay. Now minus, you know what j vector into, so leave these 2, it will come 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Then 0 and anything 0. Plus or minus 1. Then plus k vector into, so leave these two rows, this row and this column. It will come 2, 3, 0, minus 1. Now 2 into minus 1, what will come? Minus 2. So 0 and anything 0. Okay. Now simplify and to write c vector. So minus 6 plus 4, what will come? Minus 2 I vector. Then minus 4 plus 0, minus 4, minus into minus, plus 4 j vector. Then finally minus 2k vector. So this is your c vector. So for that c vector, I am going to find models. That is magnitude I am going to find. Okay. So how to find the magnitude? See, what is the iota coefficient of minus 2? So I have to write minus 2 the whole square. So and before that I want to one formula recall you, that is position vector. If r vector is equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. How to find the magnitude? Models of r vector equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So for that formula I am doing the magnitude, that is minus 2 the whole square plus 4 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square. So add this. What will come? 2 square 4 and 4 square 16. Again 2 square 4. Add this. 16 plus 20, 24. So 24, square root of 24 is the answer, but we don't want to take the same. Suppose if it is simplified, means write the simplification. That's very good. So 24 is the 6 4s are 24 so 6 into 4, that is 2 into root 6. 2 into root 6. So this is your magnitude. Now only we are going to find that unit vector. So unit vector. So unit vector c cap which is equal to c vector whole divided by modulus of c vector. Yes. What is the c vector? C vector inge pannirukoma. So that is minus 2 I vector plus 4 j vector minus 2 k vector whole divided by 2 root 6. So now I want to take and simplify separately I vector, j vector and k vector. So it will come minus 2 by 2 root 6 I vector plus j vector kalama. So 4 by 2 root 6 j vector. Then finally minus 2 by 2 root 6 k vector. Okay. Write the simplification final answer. 2 cancel minus 1 by root 6 I vector plus 2 by root 6 j vector minus 1 by root 6 k vector. So this is your final answer. Okay. Have you got children? Yes. And next the exercise question number second or third. Second question is your homework. Yes. Second question is your homework. Now I am going to third question. Have you got it, children? Yes. Third question. Listen. If a vector makes an angle, yes, pi by 3 with I vector, pi by 4 with j vector, and acute angle theta with k vector. Now find the components of a vector. Okay. Now listen. Given if theta, the three angles from your three dimension, the direction cosine ratio particular direction cosine is cos alpha makes an angle with I vector, cos beta is your j vector, and cos gamma is your k vector. So for that I am taking cos alpha which is equal to what is that? I mean alpha angle. Okay. So given alpha equal to pi by 3 because it is makes an angle with the I vector. Then beta is pi by 4 and gamma is equal to theta. Okay. So we know that what is that? The direction cosine. One concept no. The second exercise la cos square alpha when the three angles is given, how to represent the three angles of direction cosine mean cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square theta. Sorry, cos square gamma is equal to 1 coming mean. That is your direction cosine. So for that formula I am taking. We know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Okay. Now I am going to substitute that value. How to substitute? Tell me. Cos square alpha is pi by 3 bar. Okay. Plus cos square beta what? Cos square beta is pi by 4 plus cos square gamma already we are taking theta. So cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Now do you know the value of cos pi by 3? What is cos pi by 3? Cos pi by 3 is 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos pi by 4. Cos 45 is 1 by 2 so 1 by 2 the whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now tell me 1 by 4. 1 by 2 the whole square 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 to the whole square 1 by 2 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. For 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 add by the simple fraction mean 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 3 by 4 or otherwise taking the LCM line mean மேலே 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாமா. So you get it 2 ones are 2 அப்ப என்ன வரும் 3 by 4 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Have you understood this? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So taking a LCM of the denominator 4 it will come 1 plus 2. Okay. So that is 3 by 4. That's the simple product. Okay, now cos square theta only will be 1 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 want to move that side. So 1 minus 3 by 4 minus 4 taking a cross multiplication of 1 4 are 4 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so that is cos square theta which is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. So taking a cross square root of this cos theta which is equal to 1 by 2. So that is theta value cos theta which is equal to cos into pi by 3 அப்ப cos cos cancel na pi by 3 இல்ல சார் எனக்கு theta equal to 1 by 2 na theta oda value I know very well sir, that is 5 by 3 na right now is not a problem. Okay, fine. And next we have to find the components. Have you understood students? And next question, next very easy question. So this question may be asking by the 1 mark or 2 mark, maybe only 2 mark, but 1 mark. It is a basic concept. Okay. So show that a vector minus b vector cross a vector plus b vector is equal to 2 into a vector cross b vector. So that's only we are going to prove. Okay. So given means you have to take a vector and b vector be the any two non-zero vectors. Okay. Write the argumentation of our given. Take a vector and b vector be non-zero vector, two non-zero vectors. Okay, now what I am going to prove? To prove, yes, what is that? A vector minus b vector cross product a vector plus b vector, which is equal to 2 into a vector cross b. So this one we are going to prove. Okay students, okay fine. Now listen, so first take the left side and to prove the right side. So what is in your left side? That is a vector minus b vector cross another a vector plus b vector. So how to take a cross product you know? So from your definition the previous class I told you I to I j to j apply பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So இங்க வந்து I vector j vector ல இல்ல. So directly how to multiply. So that is a vector into b vector. So that is என்ன வரும்? A vector cross a vector. Fine. And a vector cross b vector plus a vector cross b vector. Then minus b vector cross a vector. அப்ப what will come? அப்ப என்ன வரும்? Plus இல்ல minus ஒரே ஸ்டெப்ல போட்டாலும் வரும். No problem. Minus b vector cross a vector. Then again minus only. Minus into plus minus b vector cross b vector. See, after this step and before that you have to remind one observation. That is I vector cross I vector னா என்ன சொன்னோம்? 0 வா? அது மாதிரி நீங்க a vector cross a vector னா என்ன வரும்? 0. Okay. And next a vector cross b vector minus do we have a cross b and b cross a ரெண்டு ஒண்ணா வேற இது equal or not equal? A cross b which is not equal to b cross a. That is see when the dot product a dot b equal to b dot a, that is அது satisfied dot product la, but cross product la என்ன வர commutative property is not satisfied. So for that b vector cross a vector na நமக்கு என்ன வரும்? minus a vector cross b vector and b vector cross b vector வந்து என்ன வரும்? 0 vector. So for that let's see, and one thing I want to say, tell you for the dot product 0 write 0 no problem, but here 0 vector is how to represent. Okay, now a vector cross b vector plus minus into minus என்ன வரும்? plus அதாவது அப்ப a vector cross b vector which is equal to 2 into a vector cross b vector. So that's on the right side. Okay, that's on the right side. Have you understood students? Okay, see example 22 already completed from your previous class, 23 now completed, and exercise la வந்து up to 4 questions completed. Okay, shall we go to the next question? Yes, shall we repeat one? See, and next question, fifth one. So I'm reading the question. Listen, find lambda and mu if given what is given ka, that is 2 I vector plus 6 j vector plus 27 k vector taking a cross product with I vector plus lambda j vector plus mu k vector is equal to 0 vector. Is equal to 0 vector. Okay students, now listen. So already you know how to take the cross product. எப்படி cross product பண்ணனும் தெரியுமாப்பா? So very simple. Is equal to 0 vector is given. So take the cross product for the given, and next we have to equate the I vector to I, j to j, k to k means we have to find the lambda and the mu. So first I am taking the cross product for this. How to take the cross product? So that is I vector, j vector, k vector. Okay, and here 2, 6, 27. Okay, and next that what? 1 lambda and mu, which is equal to 0 vector. 0 vector. Now take that determination of that. So how to take the determinant? I vector into 6 into mu, 6 mu minus 27 lambda. Okay, have you got it children? From your determinants, I vector na in the column in the row leave பண்ணிட்டு 6 into mu 6 mu minus 27 into lambda 27 lambda. கரெக்ட்டா? இது plus minus plus அப்படியே போயிட்டு தெரியுங்களா? So minus j vector into what will come? இது ரெண்டே வெட்டோம்னா என்ன வரும்? 2 into mu 2 mu minus 1 into 27 27. Then finally plus k vector into, so leave that row and this column. It will come 2 into lambda, what will come? 2 lambda minus 1 6 are 6, which is equal to 0. So 0 means 0 I vector plus 0 j vector plus 0 k vector, like that take, because it is a 0 vector. Okay, now I want to compare I to I, j to j, k to k. Okay, so how will come? Tell me. 6 mu minus 27 equal to 0. 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0. Then 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, now equate and to get the answer. So third one is very simple to get the final answer, lambda. So how to take 2 lambda minus 6 equal to 0. So 2 lambda equal to plus 6. Now lambda oda value என்ன வரும்? 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay va? So we find the value of lambda and coming to mu. For that two things, anyone you have to substitute and get the answer. Okay, so I am taking first one. Okay, appa 6 mu minus 27 into what? 3. Lambda value is 3, so it is equal to 0. So 6 mu minus 27 3s are what? 81. Okay, which is equal to 0. Then 6 mu equal to 81, mu equal to 81 by 6. Otherwise you simplify 27 by 2. So this is your value of mu. Okay, see if it is not visible, wait. So otherwise I am taking this form, 2 mu minus 27 equal to 0. Okay, if 2 mu equal to 27, appa mu oda value enadhu 27 by 2. So that's all. Okay, 27. Fine. Mu equal to 27 by 2. Have you got it children? Okay, fine. So up to fourth question we already up to fourth question we completed for this period. Okay, let me see the next question after. Okay, thank you.